Hello everyone, you are listening to Dr. Huma Ibrar. I hope so you all will be doing well. This channel is all about international license exam guidance and material. So if you are new to this channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe this channel and also click the bell icon. If you have a license from these countries, you can obtain a license in Dubai without taking the DHA Prometric exam and work there as a physiotherapist.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
This is a question that is often asked by HCPC and NPTE holders. And in my opinion, Pakistani physiotherapists are finding very few job opportunities in UK nowadays. Therefore, before selecting a career, it's important to do your research. But at the end, the decision is all up to you and your ease. So here are some country license and registrations that will exempt you from taking the DHA exam in Dubai. What you need to do is only to complete your dataflow, which is actually the verification of your documents. That's it. No need to prepare and sit for the exam. USA. Even only if you have completed your and passed your NPTE exam, National Physical Therapy exam, that is for USA, you are eligible to work as a physiotherapist in Dubai without DHA exam. The next one is Austria, Australia, Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Ireland, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Singapore, South Africa, Sweden, Switzerland, UK, Germany, Iceland, Luxembourg. So that's it for today. Stay connected for more informative videos. Thank you for watching this video.